Hello everyone, welcome to Pably. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your preschool business. So if you are also running a preschool business, then this video is definitely for you. In this video we are going to design a chatbot that will help parents inquire about admission programs, fees and facilities. So firstly in this video we are going to design a chatbot using Pably Chat Flow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for preschool business. So this chatbot will help your customers finding the admission enquiry, fees and timing, and let them know about the facilities of the school. So this chatbot is going to save your time by reducing your manual workload by providing you automation. So let's start creating our own WhatsApp chatbot, but firstly I'm going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pably Chat Flow account, and here this number is saved as test number. So now let's send a message hello here. Here as I'm sending the message hello, I am getting an automated welcome message that is, hi there, welcome to XYZ preschool. I'm your virtual assistant, how can I help you today? And here we are getting three buttons, that is admission enquiry, fee and timing, and view facilities. So now let's click on our first button, that is admission enquiry. As I'm selecting admission enquiry, I am getting a message which is telling me about the documents I needed for admission. Now let's enroll to a second button, that is fee and timing. As I'm selecting fees and timing, I am getting a message which consists of the list. So now let's open this list, and here in this list I am going to select fee structure. As I'm selecting fee structure, I am getting a message which is telling me about the fee structure. Now let's enroll to a third button, that is view facilities. As I'm selecting view facilities, I am getting a message which consists of the facilities provided by school. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by just using Pably Chat Flow, which is an amazing automation and integration platform. Now for accessing the Pably Chat Flow, you just have to type its URL, that is www.pably.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pably, and here you can see we are getting two buttons, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pably, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pably apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pably. You can access any of these apps according to you, but for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pably Chat Flow app. In this Pably Chat Flow app, here you can see we are getting two buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing the Pably Chat Flow, we just have to click on access now. Once you will click on access now, you will get this dashboard page of Pably, and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my Pably Chat Flow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and here on this add WhatsApp number button we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Now moving on further, here we are getting the option for create a new folder. If you want to create your own folder, you can click here. Now moving on to the sidebar, here we can see these are the features provided by Pably. Now I am going to give you a short overview of these features. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now the next feature we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now another one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing your chatbot. Now next feature we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates from here. Now another feature we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can click here. Now the next feature we are getting is flows. So this one is the most important feature for creating the chatbot. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. Now moving on further, here we are getting the AI assistant. So you can create your own AI assistant from here. Now the next feature we are getting is activity log. The work done by you will be shown here. Now moving on further, here we are getting settings. You can manage your settings according to you from here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that we just have to access flows. So just click on flows here. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add or create your own flow. For that you just have to click on add flow button. Once you will click on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node. Now here in this flow page you can see we are getting the option for providing the name to our flow. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for preschool business. You can provide name according to you. Now Now moving on to the flow start node, here you can see it is asking me to enter keywords. So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter to interact with this chatbot. Now moving on further, here it is asking me to enter regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now if the user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for text plus button. Now for entering a message, we just have to select text plus button, and once you will select text plus button, you will get this message node, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. So now let's enter a welcome message here. Here you can see I have entered welcome message from my customer, and I have entered this sentence, that is, hi there, welcome to XYZ preschool, between these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to add some buttons in this message node. So for that, you can see we are getting the option for add button. So just click here and it will ask you to enter the text. So basically here you have to enter the text of your button. So now let's create a first button here. Here you can see I have created my first button, that is admission enquiry. Now I am going to create some more buttons likewise. So just click on add button and enter the text of your another buttons. Here you can see I have created two more buttons, that is fees and timings and view facilities. Now if the user selects admission enquiry, I am going to provide them list of the documents in a message node. So for that, I have already told you that for entering a message, we just have to select text plus button. Now in this message node, I am going to provide the list of the documents required for the admission. Here you can see I have entered the admission enquiry details. Now let's enhance our second button, that is fees and timings. Now for the fees and timings, I am going to provide a list of the fees and timings. So now for that, you just have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for list, and here you will get this message node. And now in this list node, you can see it is asking me to enter header, body and footer for the list. So now let's enter a body for our list here. Here you can see I have entered a body for my list. Now let's add items to our list. So for that, you just have to click on add section, and once you will click on add section, it will ask you to enter the section title. So now let's provide a title to our list here. Here I am providing the section title as interest. Now let's add items to our list. So for that, you just have to click on add items, and here it will ask you to enter the title of your first item. Here you can see I have created the first item of my list. Now let's add some more items in this list. So again, you have to click on add items and enter the title of your next item. Here you can see I have created two more items, that is school timings and daycare availability in this list. Now I am going to provide some details of the fee structure. So for that, I am going to enter the detail in a message node. So just drag and drop and select text plus button here for entering the message. So now let's enter the details here. Here you can see I have entered the fees details here. You can provide details of your another items likewise. Now let's enhance our third button, that is view facilities. So for that, I am going to provide facilities in a message node. So just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Now I am going to enter the facilities provided by the school in this message node. Here you can see I have entered this message. So here you can see we have created a flow for our chatbot. So you can also create a flow like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chat Flow. Now for saving this flow, you just have to click on save button, and once you will click on save button, you will get this pop-up, that is flow updated successfully. Means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customer and how we are sending them the automated replies, let me take you towards my inbox section. So for that, you just have to click on inbox, and once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my Pabbly Chat Flow account. And now in this particular number, you can see I'm successfully receiving message from my customer, and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point is to be noticed here, that this is following the path which we have created through a flow. Means if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them a welcome message. Now if the user selects admission enquiry, we are going to inform them about the documents required for the admission. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chat Flow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video.
So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chat Flow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chat Flow for free now.